A tire mobility kit contains a sealant canister and an air compressor. The sealant is injected into the tire to temporarily seal punctures up to 6 millimeters. The compressor then inflates the tire. The sealant is injected into the tire through the valve stem to temporarily seal punctures up to 6 millimeters. Then, the air compressor inflates the tire to the proper pressure. The kit is effective for minor damage like small punctures, but not for sidewall tears or large punctures. It should be seen as a temporary fix. The absence of a spare tire in the Skoda Fabia III is primarily due to weight reduction. A full spare tire adds significant mass, which can negatively impact fuel efficiency and increase emissions. Specifically, a full-size spare tire adds 15 to 20 kilograms of weight to the vehicle. This extra mass reduces fuel efficiency and increases carbon dioxide emissions, which manufacturers aim to minimize. Another key reason is space efficiency. The mobility kit, consisting of a sealant and compressor, takes up minimal room in the trunk, freeing up space that would otherwise be occupied by a large spare tire. Finally, many Skoda Fabia III models are equipped with run-flat tires. These tires have reinforced sidewalls that maintain structural integrity even when punctured, allowing the vehicle to continue driving for up to 80 kilometers at reduced speed. The Skoda Fabia III follows a global trend in the automotive industry towards tire mobility kits instead of traditional spare tires. These kits include sealant and compressor systems for temporary repairs, reflecting modern automotive design. Electrification and sustainability goals drive this trend, reducing vehicle weight for better fuel economy and lower emissions. Unlike traditional spare tires that require space and add weight. Future vehicles are likely to eliminate spares entirely, relying on advanced systems. Relying on advanced tire pressure monitoring systems and roadside assistance. This includes tire pressure monitoring systems, integrated with onboard diagnostics and connected roadside assistance services. Owners can retrofit a space saver or full spare tire through Skoda dealers or aftermarket suppliers. This is not a factory standard option, but provides a more traditional solution. Consider the added weight and space constraints when choosing this option. While mobility kits work well for minor punctures, they have significant limitations that drivers should understand. Mobility kits are not effective for sidewall damage, which often requires tire replacement rather than a temporary seal. They also fail with large punctures over about 6 millimeters, where the sealant cannot create a sufficient seal. In harsh conditions, like winter roads with ice or extreme temperatures, the kit may not work reliably due to sealant freezing or compressor failure. When the kit cannot provide a sufficient seal, towing becomes necessary to reach a service center for proper tire repair or replacement. Owner surveys from the Skoda Owners Club show that most drivers are satisfied with mobility kits for handling minor flats. In a 2023 UK survey, 85% of Fabia III owners reported positive experiences with the kits for everyday punctures. However, 15% encountered kit failures in harsh conditions, resulting in towing incidents. Automotive engineers appreciate mobility kits for their modern efficiency in reducing vehicle weight, but they describe them as a temporary band-aid solution rather than a permanent fix. Mechanics, including those from associations like the AA, recommend carrying a space-saver spare wheel for longer trips or unpredictable conditions. A real-world example from the 2023 UK Skoda Owners Club survey illustrates these points. While 85% of owners were satisfied with mobility kits for minor flats, 15% reported failures in harsh conditions that required towing. This highlights the importance of understanding kit limitations. Beyond mobility kits, run-flat tires offer an alternative by allowing continued driving after a puncture, up to 80 kilometers at 80 kilometers per hour. Future innovations include biodegradable sealants and self-healing tires using advanced nanomaterials. The Fabia IV and upcoming electric models will rely on integrated tire pressure monitoring systems, onboard diagnostics, and roadside assistance apps instead of physical spares.